that time, Birdie? That's the TikTok, man.
Let's do it.
Getting ready to do a full lot walk. Let's get it.
Don't hang on to the past, 'cause it is all right. Hurry up, I know it's still time.
Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a full lot walk, showing you all the new cars that have came in this week. We picked up, I believe, like 10. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos every day. You can also check our website out, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping options are available. If you're new to the channel, we also do test drives and walkarounds of every car, pointing out all the flaws so you know what you're getting before you get here. What we're gonna do in this video is walk around. I'm gonna tell you the price of the year. We'll go up in the showroom over there in the far end. I wanna go ahead and thank y'all for sharing my videos. Y'all are helping me out greatly by doing that. Let's get started. Right up here in the front, we got a 1967 Nova. 26.9 on that. If you want to see under the hood, definitely go to my website. And any of my cars that I'm looking at here, like this is a 65 GTO convertible, type that in the YouTube search bar. Also put Maple Motors on the end, you'll get a test drive and a walk around of this car. That one's 29.9. Right next to that, we got a 1971 Chevelle. It's also 21.9. Beside that, 1969 Chevelle, 25.9. New piece right here. 25.9, got a 4-speed GTO. It's a 1969 model. Right beside that, a cruiser. I'm talking cruiser, man. And go watch the video on this one. It's 22.9. It's a 1971 Buick Skylark. It's got the brown interior, the cover that goes over the top. Very clean inside and out. Aftermarket set of wheels. These are Coys. And guys, if you don't like the wheels, we have options here. We have 4 or 5 garages completely full of wheels and tires. Right beside that, we got a 1955 Chevy Bel Air for 31.9. The two-tone paint. Y'all like Terminator Mustangs? Got a Cobra sitting here, 16.9 with 80,000 miles. Right beside that, 1970 model, chrome bumper Corvette, 26.9 4-speed with the side pipes. Right beside that, we got a 1977 model Corvette, 13.9. And then a 1969 Camaro right beside that, it's 28.9, just came in. I want to go ahead and thank Pops for putting the prices on the windshield early. Right beside that, a 1969 Firebird, 19.9. Guys here to pick this one up, 65 Fastback, 4-speed. We sold for 31.9. It's in the office right now. Just put the video up just the other day, and a 65 convertible Mustang with a 289 4-speed, 27.9. Right beside that, we got a 66 Mustang. It's 14.9 on this one. It's got AC. I believe these guys may have picked this one up as well, but it was 13.9, 6-cylinder, 66 model. Never got to make a video on that one. With air. Got a nice Mach 1 sitting here. We got it for 18.9. I believe it was a 71 model. Pretty good look. 1930 model. Model A, 350. 2 4-barrel carbs under the hood. 25.9. I want to remind you, type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You can see test drives and walkarounds, guys. Going up in the showroom, it's getting a little empty. Don't worry, we went to the auction this weekend. Look at some new cars. It's specifically classic car auctions that we go to, but we only go to maybe like 2 a year. So what sucks is we never really buy a lot out there. We never get a chance to. So I think they bought 2 cars. It's supposed to be pretty nice. We'll check that out. Most of the time when we go out buying cars, we go to car shows. I have that question asked all the time too. They're like, where do y'all get them? I'm like, most of the time we go to car shows. All right, right here we got a 1971 Beetle convertible for $14,900. Don't call about the Chevelle. It's nice, but it's not for sale. Cobra is for sale. One of them's 30 grand, low miles cars, and then one of them's 25.9. They may not have them on the website yet because they're not actually pushing to sell them, but they put them in here in the way, and you know, I'm going to tell you about them. 55 convertible with all the options, 69.9, 70 grand basically. But it is, I mean, everything you can get in 55. Coming on up here. Hopefully he priced this one. Just came in. It's gonna be a great piece. As you can tell, it's very clean inside and out. For $34,900, you can get a 66 Impala SS. I'll be doing more reviews this week with the test drive videos that I do. I already sold this one. I'll show it to you. It's a 56 model Bel Air. You can see the videos online. They're already up. Let's work our way back out here. We got a few trucks to the left. Just did a video on this one. 17.9 with a big block in it. 1968 C10. Beside that is a 67 C10, 15.9. 55 Cameo pickup truck. These came with fiberglass beds on them. It's $34,900 on this one. They're very unique. Check out the back. My boy, Blue. Got the old short bed Chevrolet sitting here. 1965. 16.9 on that one. I wouldn't be surprised if this Corvette came back for sale. I had a guy been trying to buy it for a while. It's still kind of on hold, but I'll mention it right now. Just because we did get it up, clean it up today. Needs a little bit of work, but it is a 69 model with side pipes. Decent little running driver. Project car for sure. Okay, back here in the back, looks like all we got's that newer model car. We got an El Camino sitting here, but I believe it's already sold. We do got the 06 model truck, but I have a lot of Mopars and stuff up here and some other new cars that y'all haven't seen. We'll walk our way up to them. This is a Rubicon here for $12,900. This El Camino is not bad at all. $79.50 on this one. It's an 85 model. And of course we got one of the custom show trucks by Show Trucks USA. It's a 1500 with 50,000 miles on it for $14,900. 4-wheel drive, 94 model. Pretty sweet. 1970 model custom flatbed. The keg is a gas tank, custom wheels and tires. We got it for $15,900. Just picked up this Chevelle. He does not have the price on the windshield. I'm glad he put it on the rest of the cars on the lot, but we will have it available and all the information available for it Monday. HHRSS, also on the website if you're interested. Newer model stuff. Got a sold and a sold and a sold. And I believe the Malibu's already sold. Yep. Moving back up to some stuff that's available. I got this one out and drove it. It actually runs and drives awesome. I put a little wax on it, nice and clean. We got it listed for $12,900. Cadillac Coupe de Ville, 1972 model. We don't get many of these. They only made 300 Sundance. Ooh, moving that Terminator. He's gonna be loud and noisy. This is 1974 Satellite Plymouth with a Sundance kit. Interior looks all funked out, guys. Check it out. Bringing back the 70s. Check out that test drive video. This car actually runs and drives really good. Also got the Caprice 94 wagon. It's customized to the max. Pinstriping all over it. It's even got the Ice Cream Man sound under the hood. Just got this one in. It's gonna be a good little piece. I'll be doing test drives and stuff of it soon. 68 model Le Mans convertible for $16,900. And you know you like the Z28s. $17,900 on a 1979 Z28. Let's cut back over here to the Mopar section. Got a Plymouth Duster with a 318 under the hood. It's a 1970 model, 19.9 3-speed. Very good running and driving car. 69 GTX with a 440, 31.9. Got a 70 Coronet, 29.9 with a 440. Then a 1971 Super B, also a 440, 31.9. All right, guys, we have walked around the entire car lot. I'm gonna breeze back through all of them one more time and give you a little bit more information about us. We're a family business. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. I post videos like this all the time. The test drive videos help people out and get to know their car or the car that they want before they make the drive. Lots of people come from like Texas and California and New York, all over the country, and we're located here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. It's like 15 minutes more north of Nashville in Middle Tennessee. And we've been here about 38 years now, so we're gonna keep these cars coming to you. Usually it's 10 to 15 new cars every week. If you come up here in person, holler at us, you want a t-shirt, we can hook you up. All the music on the channel I create at the house, so definitely check that out. It's another hobby that I got after work. I like messing with these old cars and playing guitar. Did I miss the Impala? I may have. That's a 1966 Impala right here for $27,900. Not too bad, not too bad. And then if you go to my website, which is maplemotors.com, I offer financing, shipping. We got detailed pictures of every car on the lot. We do our best to give you all the information we can, because I know people drive a long ways to come look at cars, so don't want you to get disappointed before you get here. Let's go back in the showroom. They done shut the door over here. They're ready to go, aren't they? Got a personal car section over here. Everybody drove into work. That's Pops' car. That's old Patty Cake's Camaro. Justin from TikTok's Camaro. Oh my goodness, I can't show y'all the password. Sorry, they locked me out and I had to pull on the door. I am so sorry. I usually don't edit this video at all. I just make it and put it up and hope y'all like it. But yeah, we do all the social media aspects as well. We've got TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube here. I gave Justin the TikTok because all the others quite a bit as well, especially making these videos every day. I usually put out 4 to sometimes 12 videos in one day. Give y'all plenty to watch. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. It helps me out greatly when you share these videos. I do appreciate that as well. And there's plenty on this site. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Thanks again.